Good morning, guys, and aloha, tubers. Look, I'm all wet, fresh out of the shower, and it's only 4:47 in the morning. That's right, 4:47. The alarm went off at 4. I jumped up, made some coffee, repacked my bags, and I'm about to head out the door. Got to go to the airport. Got to start boarding at 6:30. I think they said I'm like 10 minutes away from the airport here at the hotel, so I'm going to hurry and get to the airport. But good morning and happy Vlogmas! Back in Denver. I was gonna stop and get a shot of espresso for the ride home. The line is much too long at Caribou Coffee. Why? Yay, I'm home. Hi, Butterfly. How you doing? How you doing there, Butterfly? Yeah, how you doing? Anyway, I'm home and I'm having a little snack. I'm having some pita chips and tuna. This stuff is really good. This is really the Thai style, bold. Got a little bit of kick, not much, but you know, people that don't know spicy will go, "Oh my God, my tongue's on fire." For me, it's just got a nice taste. So that's what I'm having with some pita chips, and I'm catching up on some Vlogmas. That's not ours. That's Fleur and Mike's Vlogmas. I'm watching theirs. Isn't that right, Butterfly? Yeah. Anyway, gotta get back to the snack packing. Okay, you guys know that I got an early Christmas present of the really cool coffee machine. So I thought, I'm home. I'm gonna try to make myself one. I'll look at the instructions. I've got everything out here. And instructions say to fill the hopper with beans. So I take out the beans. So I got the beans out, and I take the top off of it, and I go to pull the ring off of it, and the ring popped off. So I had to smash the can down with a hammer to get to the beans. That's the first thing I've had to do. Smash the can with the hammer to get to the beans. So I'm hoping that is not the start of the trouble. Please make this machine very easy for me to learn. Please. I know I should probably do the manual, but I'm doing the quick start guide because I'm a guy, and that's what we do. We just do the quick start guide, and hopefully this will be okay. I should have filmed this. I just did the coffee. Now I'm going to tap it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna lock it in the insert and lock. Okay, got that. We've got to find a cup. Okay, throw it in the Keep Calm and Caffeinate mug. Let me see here. I think I'm gonna do the let's just see. I don't know. Well, I should have checked before I started. We don't have any milk to steam for the foam and the steamed milk, but I did make espresso. I got a double shot of espresso. So I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna try that. Yep, that's espresso. Woo! Now I gotta figure out the rest of this machine. Gotta clean it and stuff.
A man and his meow friend. Butterfly, are you jealous? Rain and Daddy are loving each other. Did you hear the boom boom?
Yeah.
That is Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear!
Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear!
Pooh Bear.
Here she comes, making her grand entrance. Pooh Bear! Oh, oh, there she is. Stretching it out.
Stretch it out.
I hear another cat getting love. And I'm not here to stand for that. Butterfly. 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 She can't get her eyes off of the cat. That cat's being pet by my master. What the? This is our life. We got fur babies out the yin yang. Mr. Man's home, so it's time for Mr. Man to do the advent calendar.
What? I have a cat in my hands.
All right, let's do it together. Okay.
Okay.
All right, it's all about finding. Okay, we're at 11.
11. Because we're behind.
Yeah.
So we'll do 11, 12,
I
and
don't
13.
understand the struggle.
Here, let me hold that.
Okay,
Would it be better if we just set it flat? Oh, the candy fell out.
here we go. What we got? We got a little teddy bear. Little teddy bear. All right, now we're on 12. 12. Where's Waldo? There it is.
Where?
The little
Find it?
man.
Okay.
Why can't they put them in order? Is
Well, the fun of it is searching for it, isn't it?
What is that?
What is it? That looks like a, wait, shine it back this way. It's like fruit or something is kind of what it looks like.
It's like a cornucopia.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are we on 13?
Now we're
What's
13.
Today's date.
Today's the 13th.
All right, so
This
we're
will
going
go
to
in
get caught up.
today's video.
All right. I don't even know what that is. It's getting harder.
Turn it up, turn it around. It's a candle. It's upside down. See, it's a candle with holly around it.
Oh, there you go.
That's part of the game, is figuring out what's on the chocolate, I guess, huh?
We're caught up with the advent. Now you get chocolate.
Yay! They're blackout curtains?
Yeah, that's what they said. Feel them. They're pretty thick.
Oh, they are pretty thick. They probably would have helped a lot keep the fading off this thing.
Yeah.
You see how the two different brown. They were the same brown until the sun through the window.
I was only brought into your life a few years ago.
I know. Huh, I like them.
And they don't seem to be weighing the mill down too much.
No. This is if we haven't done this before. This is the guest bedroom. It's all cowboyish.
Yes.
Yeah, with the paintings, which is those paintings are big
They're
sections.
too heavy to be hung.
Yeah, well, they're
So they
actually
just-
sections of sheetrock.
Yeah.
See,
So
they were cut out of a wall. They were murals in a hotel, is what they were originally, and then got cut out, got framed, and I bought them to put it here. But then I realized how heavy they are, and I thought I would just leave them sitting on the floor.
So it looks interesting.
It looks different, but yeah. Hey, cat, look, you got a visitor.
Hey, Pooh Bear.
I need a few more hats.
I'm thinking, yeah, you do.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I need to probably put a middle brace in it a
I
little.
bet you can get one of those. But
But
other than
it's
that,
not too bad.
mm-mm.
Looks good. Very nice. Nice
Thanks.
job.
Thanks, babe.